Welcome back, Warriors. Another episode, Elite Landscapes, Life Stories. Beautiful fall weather we have. We had our first frost this morning, so we're getting a little late start. It's noon. And we have this beautiful, beautiful property that we landscaped, I don't know, maybe 9 years ago. And it's time to put it to bed, put it to rest for the wintertime. Final trimming and do some leaf cleanup. We'll go through, name all the shrubs for you as we trim, and just show you before and after pictures. Not really sure how much footage we'll get, but I might take the time when we do those bad boys back there to get some footage, all right? Because I like the way those turn out. So I'm going through and trimming these. My man, Tyler, is going to be cleaning up leaves behind me and making the place nice and tight once we go through and destroy it. Love this property, but those are thorny pyracanthus. Yeah. Love where they're at, but not fun to maintain. All right, guys. We're starting off here. We have the sedums. We have the peonies, the little teacup of roses, some beautiful boxwoods, gorgeous holly. And that's what we got trimmed back first. So we'll get started on these and show you why I like these trimmers the best. Very, very versatile and lightweight. So we planted these little baby boxwoods a long time ago, and they keep getting run over because they're right here in the driveway. Now I pruned them back hardcore last season, and they came back nice. Now we gotta match the other ones up, and they were perfectly good. So I need to take these perfectly healthy boxwoods, those big ones, cut them back down to that size. Probably not my favorite time of year to do this. Probably the best time of year to do that would be in the late March, early April, before the growing season, not before the dormant season. But they will survive. They're strong plants. I'll show you what's in this bed. So in the center, you got the blue globe spruce, and it's got 3 nandinas around it. Give it that nice color scheme, and of course the boxwood hedge around it. So it's a nice little concept for a corner bed if you're interested. And the backside just has a nice boulder or two hanging out. See? Pretty nice little bed. I like it. All right, so that's about as good as I can get it. Shaping it the size. So when we're doing this design, we want the same thing here. We got the blue color that goes throughout the property design. Nice purple jugula, the nandinas, the perennials that come up. So we got all the different colors. Really is nice. These boxwoods and these autumn ferns. Love these autumn ferns. They go good hiding a little jaguar, panther, whatever. So we're gonna trim the boxwoods, nandinas. I think we're gonna leave the autumn ferns because that's why they're called autumn ferns, so they can look good in the autumn. But everything else gets shaped up, and of course these big bad boys, the topiaries, getting taken care of as well. We'll talk about this whole landscape around the corner later, after the trimming. So here in the corner, we're gonna go ahead and trim this D-rump boxwood, make it nice and tight. Starting a new hedgerow here. Can't wait to pin him up high, man. It's gonna be amazing. So you got 1, 2, 3 dwarf arborvitaes. Beautiful red popping out of it right beside the beautiful blue. And yeah, what are these? These are the Pieris japonica. Japonica Pieris. And 2 different kinds. That one. And that one. So that one and that one match up. And that one in the middle is different. So there's a total view of it. When you look at it, you got the reds, the yellow greens, then those in the middle. We had this huge empty wall here, so we did the climbing hydrangeas all the way around it at the base, and then we had the what was it, gray owl junipers, gray owl or blue owl, one of them, to cover the wall. A lot of wall space, but over the last years, just taking care of where it grew in nice. Alright, so there's the after pictures. The trimming session today. The little boxwoods turned out pretty good. No complaints. All right, warriors. So tomorrow I gotta come back here and hit these huge power canthers and a few boxwoods on their side and some ligustrum, a few other bushes that didn't get hit today. So at any rate, hope you guys enjoyed the trim session, and as always, be good if you can, always be kind, and above all, love each other. Peace. Elite landscape style. Woo.